weBoost Drive Reach Overland. Never lose signal off-road again. 5G and 4G LTE booster review. Ever felt stranded in the middle of nowhere with no service flashing on your phone? Frustration builds as calls drop, messages fail, and maps refuse to load. Remote trails, off-road adventures, or rugged work sites shouldn't leave you cut off. Weak signals block your communication, waste time, and add stress, making even the most thrilling trips feel frustrating and isolating. The problem escalates. Missed check-ins, failed uploads, and delayed emergency calls create real anxiety. Every mile off-grid magnifies the risk of losing connectivity. Whether navigating deep forests, canyon roads, or desert expanses, poor signal means lost opportunities, wasted effort, and creeping frustration. Without reliable coverage, even experienced off-roaders feel vulnerable, disconnected, and held back from fully enjoying their journey. Meet the weBoost Drive Reach Overland, your ultimate off-road connectivity solution. Designed for overland vehicles, RVs, trucks, and SUVs, it delivers massive FCC-approved signal amplification, up to 50 decibel downlink, turning weak bars into strong, stable 4G LTE or 5G connections. The rugged Yagi directional antenna pulls in distant signals even where omnidirectional antennas fail, while the low-profile interior antenna and cradle booster provide sleek, professional installation. Users report, "I drove through a known dead zone and suddenly had enough signal to send a message. Game changer." The kit includes everything needed: 12-volt power adapter, mounting hardware, and 10-foot coaxial cable. Compatible with all U.S. carriers, Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and more. This booster ensures your GPS, calls, and apps function even in remote backcountry. Its industrial-grade construction withstands dust, brush, and extreme weather, making it a durable companion for rugged adventures. Whether for safety, work, or streaming on the go, the Drive Reach Overland delivers reliable, worry-free connectivity wherever your journey takes you. The benefits are immediate and undeniable. Overlanding experts praise the Drive Reach Overland's directional Yagi antenna, highlighting its ability to pull in signals dozens of miles away. Outdoor tech influencers report dramatically improved data speeds, even in deep forests and canyon areas, enabling video calls, streaming, and uploads where it was previously impossible. Industry analysts note its FCC-maximized gain and multi-carrier compatibility make it a long-term investment for remote connectivity. Users describe clearer calls, faster LTE or 5G speeds, and extended phone battery life, thanks to reduced signal searching. Installation is plug-and-play via vehicle cigarette lighter, and the foldable antenna bracket adapts to low-clearance setups. One van life reviewer shared, "My work-from-remote ability transformed overnight. I can reliably upload content from spots that were dead zones before." Safety is also boosted. Emergency calls and weather alerts are always accessible. With rugged all-weather design, 13-inch mast extension, interior antenna, and complete mounting hardware, the kit delivers both durability and convenience. Curiosity peaks when adventurers see the difference: 2 or 3 extra bars in previously hopeless locations. With simultaneous multi-device support, sleek installation, and industrial-grade reliability, this booster proves indispensable for serious off-road travelers. Don't risk being cut off in the wild. Upgrade with the weBoost Drive Reach Overland today. Join thousands of adventurers, RVers, and overlanders who now stay connected in the most remote locations. Limited stock and growing demand mean it won't last. Secure yours now. With FCC-approved power, rugged antennas, easy installation, and full carrier support, this booster guarantees safer, faster, and more reliable connectivity. Act now, seize the signal, and make sure every call, text, and map update works. Your adventure deserves it.